Hello everyone and welcome back to this brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to update your current Bungee build, the 1.10 snapshot, to the newest version 1.15 for Player Servers Revived. Recently I did have an error with the naming, and I'll have an updated posted on Spicked, so make sure to tune in for that. First, what we need to do is we need to grab the newest build. So let's just get it here. BungeeCord server. This one, we're going to grab the latest build. That would be this one right here, I believe. Yep. So now that it is downloading, we are going to open up our BungeeCord folder. We are going to need this, so we're just going to type .old. Oh well, I got to stop this. It doesn't really matter what you call it. We're not going to be using this as long as you keep it, because we still got to pull a file from it. So we can configure the new BungeeCord for the player servers. There was a lot of coding issues that were going into it while trying to update everything, so that's the reason why we have to break a hole into the entire BungeeCord proxy. I don't think it'll mess with the protection that's on the BungeeCord, because BungeeCord is still pretty crappy with their protection bullshit, but just call this that. We are going to be opening this with a file manager. I'm using 7-zip. You can use RAR. It doesn't really matter what you use to open it with, as long as you can open the jar. So what we are going to do is be opening our old BungeeCord. Go to net, MD5, Bungee. We are going to go to config. We need this configuration class. That's what we are moving. Let's see. Where to go? Yep, config. We are going to. This is the new BungeeCord that we have. So we're deleting the configuration class from the new BungeeCord, transferring the old configuration class from the old BungeeCord to the new, and we're done. That's all there is to it, literally. So let's start it up. Let's make sure everything works just fine. As you can see, everything worked perfectly. We are now at 1.15, build number 1500. We are going to start up the lobby just to make sure everything is working just fine. It'll take probably like 5 to 6 seconds. It depends on how many plugins are on the server. I do need to fix the timings, because the timings on the plugin are really, really crappy. So let's just join the server and see if everything still works. And if it does, then we're good to go. And we are in. Let's just make sure it did update. Yes, it did update. So let's type PS. Yep. PSA. I'm trying to figure out why the GUI is not popping up. I'm guessing that's just one of the configuration things. Let's see. Help.ps.sharetime. Yeah, okay. That's just part of the message. YML, blah, blah, blah. But if we were to type PS, join Wild Mastery 4, my server's run out of time. But as you can see, we still connected to it. So meaning you should be able to join in a higher version. Player servers only goes up to 1.12.2 right now. I'm trying to fix that. I know you really want it to support 1.15.2. This is as close as I've gotten. Thank you for tuning into this small tutorial on how to configure everything. I'm going to post a new update on Spigot, and I will see you all in the next video.